Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to remove unwanted hair, and this is lemon. I will be needing lemon and I will be needing my Colgate toothpaste. So this Colgate toothpaste is white color. You can check, it's not until you have a Colgate toothpaste. You can use any other toothpaste which is white color, but it has to be white color. You don't use the color toothpaste, but you only use white color toothpaste. So I've put my toothpaste in my plate already. So the next thing will be my sugar. I'm using a brown sugar. You can use white sugar, you can use brown sugar, whatever sugar that is available to you, you can use it. So I'm gonna mix it together, just mix it together. I'm gonna add my lemon. So I'm gonna cut lemon into. So I'll just squeeze a little of the lemon inside it. Then I'll mix it again. So as you can see, the consistency is not too watery and is not too thick. So this consistency is very okay, as you can see. So now I'm gonna apply it. So I'm gonna use my makeup brush to apply it. You can use your hand. I'm gonna apply it on my hand. You can use your hand, you can use whatever tools you have. So you apply it upwards. So guys, after applying it, I'm gonna wait for 5 minutes. So you don't wait more than 5 minutes, so you wait for like 5 minutes. Then I'll show you the next step. So after 5 minutes, I'm gonna scrub it. As you can see, it's so sticky. So I scrub it very well. I'm not telling you this treatment is gonna work for one day, but when you keep trying it, you try it 3 to 4 times in a week for 1 month, you will see that those hair has fall off. You will not have, wherever root the hair is coming from, it's just gonna make it fall off. So it's not gonna work on that particular day. You will try it for 1 month and you will see amazing result. So now I'm gonna wash my hand. I'm gonna wash it off. So after you scrub it for you wait for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you scrub it off. So when you scrub it for some time, then you wash it off. You continue this 3 to 4 times. Within 1 month, you'll see result that those hair has fall off. So thank you for taking your time to watch this video. Please subscribe to this channel to get more healthy video from me, and turn on your notification bell beside the subscribe button so that you will not miss any of my video. I upload video on this channel almost every day. Thank you for taking your time to watch this video, and bye for now.